Cardano by and large is a mid-position coin with the ticker ADA that has a current worth of 35 cents and a market capitalization of $122,256,301,315. Digital currencies fundamentally have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers, or so they generally thought. These days, it's a resource class that basically is considerably directed and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate incredibly. Some very huge venture banks even by and large get Cardano and especially other digital forms of money altogether to for the most part safeguard their resources under administration against the running expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and genuinely long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ADA market that in every practical sense depend on the readings of our remarkable crypto unpredictability file that generally assists us with checking the market opinion and fundamentally expect where in which the market means to go in a huge manner basically. At this point, the cost of Cardano certainly is 35 cents, while the coin presently basically winds up at 7th spot in the especially in general positioning, which certainly is genuinely critical. The said positioning is assessed based on the resource's exceptionally present value that basically is duplicated by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that generally is applied all through every single monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients truly get the most applicable information in regards to the exhibition of advanced asset in their portfolios. It's likewise essential to consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading. On June 4th, the cost of Cardano especially was at 37 cents toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change sort of added up to 7.77%. 7 days prior, on May 29th, ADA truly was esteemed at 38 cents, which generally intends that from that point forward, the cost in a real sense has in every way that really matters, vacillated by 0%, or so they basically thought. A month prior, on May 5th, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at 39 cents. In this manner, the coin has made an 11.00% move to sort of arrive at its by and large present standing. Nonetheless, as currently made sense of, the cost of Cardano isn't the, truth be told, entirely factor that we consider while making the cost expectation, or so they generally thought. It means quite a bit to keep a sort of sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to have an especially clear perspective on where the market truly is going. This especially specific really metric especially is additionally used to check the strength of Cardano according to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition. To especially decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of ADA, we fundamentally increase the coursing supply, the boundary that will truly be made sense of later, by the really present worth of the digital currency under survey, which sort of is very critical. Starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano remains at $122,256,301,315, which shapes the reason for kind of present commonly positioning generally was referenced before. Yesterday, on June 4th, ADA especially had a market capitalization of $109,216,236. Keep going week. On May 29th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to explicitly was recorded at $1,359,122,439, or so they basically thought. A month prior, on May 5th, the market worth of Cardano was evaluated to in a real sense be $1,3742929,222, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Absolute inventory considers the quantity of coins that certainly have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining, which is genuinely huge. These digital currencies can in every way that really matters be utilized either for commonly dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers. This especially metric likewise calculates the coins that have been transitioned away from through the cycle called consuming, which in every practical sense is applied to control the expansion rate, or so they essentially thought. At this point, the fundamentally all-out supply of Cardano especially is laid out at 858,591,3308 in a huge manner. In conclusion, the flowing stockpile especially is utilized to sort of work out the market capitalization and evaluate the coin's genuinely current remaining in the positions in a significant way. It means the fundamentally by and large measure of ADA that certainly is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that generally are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly in every practical sense, put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown in an exceptionally significant manner. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million for the most part are the most appropriate for long-haul venture, since they fundamentally are generally commonly prone to, for the most part, value and esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, which is genuinely critical. At this crossroads, Cardano really has a flowing stock of 34893965780 coins, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Additionally, high exchanging volume typically exhibits that the liquidity sort of is streaming into that market, which shows the exceptionally broad premium in the cryptographic forms of money and guarantees smooth execution of exchanges, or so they thought. In any case, it should explicitly be noticed that the information connected with the continuous exchanging volume isn't that much reasonable for making in every practical sense long-haul cost expectation. However, it ordinarily gives important knowledge into the to all aims and purposes current market circumstance. In this way explicitly is urgent for short and mid-term cost conjectures commonly completed by our really restrictive calculation. A savvy cryptographic money financial backer mustn't ignore this genuinely metric while picking section or leave point. The guideline here truly is to fundamentally get into the activity when the volume explicitly begins to rise, when the cost certainly is pushing out of the union region, and truly forsake the boat once the volume starts to drop after an extensive convention, which truly is genuinely critical. It's surprisingly better assuming those cost moves especially occur in the areas that certainly match with generally genuinely high volume, which explicitly are normally shown through tall bars on the kind of comparing pointer that explicitly is implanted in all crypto exchanging terminals a sort of significant way. Taking care of that, how about we survey the exchanging volume recorded on the Cardano market throughout the accompanying time periods? Over the especially beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ADA arrived at the mark of $289,042,454, which basically is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on June 4th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame truly remained at $114,089,011 in a significant manner. 7 days prior, on May 29th, how much ADA that explicitly was traded between market members basically was assessed at $223,165,787, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Presently generally comes an opportunity to make sense of exhaustively the quintessence of the crypto unpredictability record, since it's a highlight of our cost expectation model that permits us to predict the way that Cardano will in a real sense follow over the for the most part next 1 to 5 years. 114 really is the consequence of the fastidious work of our group of market specialists and programming engineers that surfaced with a remarkable recipe for checking and picturing the normal market unpredictability, and enhanced it with the imaginative profound learning calculation that filters through a variety of verifiable market information to essentially convey the best Cardano cost expectation in the business in a significant way.